Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about Neutrogena Skin Balancing Micellar Cleansing Cloths. If you guys would like some more information on them, just be sure to check my video description. So Neutrogena Skin Balancing Micellar Cleansing Cloths are great for removing makeup. That was my main reason for purchasing them. I definitely wear makeup every time I go to work. I always have waterproof eyeliner on and mascara. And it could be challenging to take it off if you don't have the right makeup remover. So I was using a couple other makeup removers that I had tried in the past, and I just felt like they weren't removing all of the makeup, and I just want everything taken off, and then I can do like my skincare regimen afterwards. Also, I felt like some of the ones I used were drying out my skin, and I can't afford to have my skin be dry because it's already like on the dry side right now. So I decided to purchase something that I read really good reviews about, and I do like the brand Neutrogena. I think they're really great. So I decided to try the Neutrogena Skin Balancing Micellar Cleansing Cloths. They are nourishing and softening, and they are for all skin types. And they are 9% emollient vitamin complex. And you know, Neutrogena is the dermatologist recommended brand. A lot of dermatologists will recommend that you use Neutrogena. They are made from 100% plant-based cloth, which is great. Better for the environment too. And this comes with 25 pre-moistened towelettes, 7x4 or 7.2 or 19 by 18.5 centimeters. I'm going to take one out in a second and show you guys. So this is a great pack. I actually just brought it away with me to the hotel I was staying in because they're just so easy to like fit in your suitcase or you know, fit in your backpack or whatever you take to go away with you. I'll pull one out, and they stay nice and moist. And this is, you could reseal this. Just rip it open and then reseal. It actually has like a really nice floral scent. Oh, I love the smell of this. It smells wonderful. And this is the cloth. Not too thick, not too thin. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. Bigger than my hand. And I'm actually just going to wipe a little bit so you guys can see how much it gets off. And remember, I have a full face of makeup on right now. I have foundation, I have blush, I have bronzer, I have lipstick, I have waterproof eyeliner, and I also have waterproof mascara on and eyebrow pencil. So I'm removing all of my makeup right now. Literally, like it takes it all off. I've never had a wipe that I tried that removed so much makeup before and actually left my skin feeling moisturized. Okay. This is just from like the few seconds I spent wiping my face just now. Okay. Look how much it took off. And like I said, I have a full face of makeup on. Okay. So the directions are gently wipe over eyelids, face, lips and neck. There is no need to rinse. Use daily, day or night. After removing towelette, reseal the package to keep the wipes moist and dispose of the towelette in the trash receptacle. You do not want to flush them. Designed with the earth in mind, made with plant-based home compositable fibers, and then they are distributed by Johnson & Johnson, very well-known company. Ingredients are listed right here. Like I said, they smell wonderful. They are for all skin types. Micellar Infused Cleansing Cloths are effective yet gentle, and they lift away makeup, oil, and impurities. The conditioning formula leaves skin soft, smooth, and perfectly balanced with no need to rinse. They are infused with vitamin E and vitamin B5. This is a nourishing formula that helps fight pollution and renews the look of the skin. Dermatologist tested formulation, hypoallergenic, and ophthalmologist tested, formulated with respect to the skin's natural pH. Won't throw your skin balance off. And it is formulated without parabens, alcohol, sulfates, phthalates, soaps, and dyes. So I have used both sides of this. I just want to show you guys. Look how much makeup it got off. That's crazy. And my makeup's pretty much all off now. And then I can go ahead and like use my toner and moisturizer. So you could remove your makeup and then go ahead with your skincare regimen that you use at night. So guys, this was my video for Neutrogena Skin Balancing Micellar Cleansing Cloths. I really hope that you guys found the video useful. And if you did, please feel free to leave me a like and a comment. Thanks guys, and have a great day.